We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today y'all, we're making a super moist butter cake, y'all, and here are our ingredients. In this sifter bowl, I am combining my dry ingredients. This is where you add your flour, salt, and baking powder and sift those all together. If you're using salted butter, omit the salt in your dry ingredients. Here I'm adding my butter to my mixing bowl. Now I'm adding my sugar. Here I'm using my hand mixer, and I'm going to mix the butter and the sugar together until it becomes creamy. Okay, this is what we're looking for. I mix this for like 3 to 4 minutes on a high speed to get this consistency. Now I'm adding my eggs. You can add like 1 or 2 at a time. And make sure you mix them well before adding the next one. Okay, now I'm scraping down my bowl to make sure all our ingredients are well mixed in. This is how your batter should look. It should look creamy and smooth. Here I'm adding my vanilla extract, and we're going to mix that in. Now I'm adding my dry ingredients to the batter. I'm adding like a half of it at a time. And we're going to fold this in very gently, y'all. We're not going to just stir it a whole lot. Just fold it in a little bit. Now I'm adding the rest of my dry ingredients. We're going to continue to fold this in until it's well mixed. Okay, this is what we're looking for. We want our batter to look smooth, but not over mixed. Here I'm adding my milk, and we're going to mix this in gently. Now our batter is complete. Here I have sprayed my pan with a baking spray, and now I'm adding my batter. And we're going to spread this around as evenly as we can. Here I'm dropping my pan on my countertop to release any air bubbles, and this also helps to even out your batter. I'm going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes, and I'm going to be back with the final result. Y'all, I am back. Here is my cake. Like I said, it was in the oven for 35 minutes. I checked it at 30, then I decided to leave it in there for another 5 minutes. Here I'm going around the edges to make sure the edges aren't sticking to the pan. And I'm going to turn my cake over and place it into my foil pan. I am lining it with some wax paper, or you can use parchment paper. This is a simple, super moist butter cake that I wanted to share with y'all because it is so good, y'all. And so you can top this any way you want to. You can add fresh fruit and whipped topping. Just make this recipe yours. You can top it with any icings or frosting, and it will turn out really good. And plus, you made this from scratch. Here's my end result. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get my new and upcoming videos. I also want to welcome my new viewers and subscribers. I love y'all. Welcome to my channel. Like always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!